On deck, number 1, Van Buren Odessa Steinman from Noster, number 1.
Keep your feet moving. Pull it in. Get two. Good. Hey, not so high, not so high. Stay behind the shoulder. Pull it, Narrissa, crossface. Pull it over. Nope, get back. Push that arm through. Good. Now base up. Tripod up, Narrissa, and circle towards his head. Nope, look away. Peel it off, Narrissa. Good. Pull it off. You got her head here. Now come up. Up, Narrissa. Hey, 5 seconds. Get up. Right top. Let's go.
Amendment 2 is to make sure we have Aiden Rodriguez from Rockridge and Ray Meckler from Centralia warming up on amendment 2.
Narrissa, get that ankle. Get the ankle and drive it forward. No pulling backwards. Drive forward. Get the ankle and drive. Good. Now, get that arm in half. Get the arm in. No. Up, Narrissa, get up. Quit getting up so high. Up. Keep your head off the mat. Hey, up, Narrissa. Get your foot on the mat and stand up. Up, come up. Stand up, Narrissa. Hey, he's got no weight on you. Stand up. Good. Up. Again, Narrissa, come on, everything you got. 15 seconds, get a point. Up, stand up. Swim your arm over. Narrissa, you got to keep your head off the mat. You're almost up. Look at me. You're almost up, and then you dive forward. Swim your arm over and get up. Hey, get up. Let's go. Let's go, Narrissa. Go. Move your feet. Drive. Finish. Drive. Head up. You got to get your head off the mat, Narrissa.
Keep
now
that leg.
Hold it. Don't let it go. Hold it. Circle, Narrissa. Get off your knees. 25 seconds, Narrissa. Let's go. Hold them out. There, good. Now come up. 10 seconds, Narrissa. Let's go. Up. Good.